Speed of government shutdown. All right, we're going to do 8.7. This is the last section we're going to do for chapter 8. Let's go back to when you were little. You did tables. They were called them in and out tables. So they kind of gave you something like this, and they gave you numbers. And then they said that number plus 3. And then so you put the number in place, and then you got the out. You put the number in place. Okay. We've been doing the same thing, but now we've been calling it a t-chart. So in this one, our problem would be y equals x plus 3. So same thing, we use those same 3 points. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 3. So same thing, just new terminology, big kid words. Okay. So we're going to do that same thing today, but change it even once more. We are going to change it in terms of functions. And functions, the notation is this symbol. What it says is this is a function of x, or it could be a function of r, a function of, so whatever your variable is, it's a, and so in this case, let's do that one we just did, a function of x, that is x plus 3. So in place of y, we replaced it with this terminology, function of x. So that f of x is the exact same thing as y. So we're going to treat it exactly the same way. So what you're going to see today is they're going to say, solve this function when x equals 4, or excuse me, 5. We just plug it in. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you'll see it written this way, f of 5 equals 8. So in place of x, we put 5. They might say, okay, do f of 8. So we would put 8 plus 3 equals 11. It is that easy. It's just that the symbols are new and terminology is new, but it's something you've done before and done many, many times. Okay, so let's do one more, and that's really all you're going to need to do. Basically, we're going to use order of operations. So this one, it says f of x equals x squared minus 2x. We're going to do f of 4, f of negative 3. Most of these today, that's how it's going to work. They're going to give you, on each problem, they're going to give you basically 3 of them to do. So we would just substitute 4 squared minus 2 times 4. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Negative 3 squared minus 2 times negative 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. Thank you. Just checking. 2 squared minus 2 times 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Yeah, it is as simple as it seems. All you're doing is substituting. Okay. The last thing we'll look at when we're talking about the letter, I'm not going to have you work on as many of these. You got 2 words, domain and range. Domain are your x values. Range are your y values. So that's the only thing that's new on that. So what we're going to do,